Welcome to another very exciting episode of Food Reviews with me in my car, where I review foods in my car by myself. Today I was running a little behind, so I had to go pick up some food at the local McDonald's when I found something I've never seen before there. It's the chicken Big Mac with a Big Mac, but instead of with beef in it, it has chicken in it. So this is what it looks like. I thought they were going to be like junior chicken patties, but they look like kind of like junior chicken patties, but without the seasoning on it, so they don't look like it's spicy or anything. So let's give it a try. Oh, there's pickles on it. I guess that makes sense. Pickles? There's pickles. It's like a Big Mac, but with chicken. Pretty fresh. Huh. It tastes pretty good, actually. I think I might rather have like the junior chicken patties with the spicy stuff. It's not like too spicy, but it's something. But it does definitely feel like more filling even than the normal Big Macs. That's pretty good. I like that. Let's try some fries. I got some fries and a Coke. Let's try it. Fries don't seem super fresh. The chicken was really fresh. And the fries aren't super great. The fries aren't super great, but they are well salted. So that's a plus. At least they have the salt down. Like, they're not cold, but they're not fresh. But this is fresh, and this is actually really good. I like it. Give it a try. I give this like a an 8 out of 10. Big Mac chicken Big Mac burger meal. 8 out of 10.